Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Fastly, ticker symbol FSLY. And so here I am recording this on Tuesday morning, October 29th, about 10 minutes before the market opens. And yesterday on the 28th, Fastly closed at a price of $7.33, being up 0.69% on the day. And so, yeah, the market hasn't opened just yet, and we do have earnings coming up on November 6th. Not sure why it's not popping up there, but their earnings are coming up on the 6th, I believe. And yeah, I wanted to go over the chart because it has been requested a number of times during Sunday night's Ticker Request live stream, which I do every Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern, although some Sundays I do miss it. But yeah, I just wanted to go over the chart because, I was trying to understand, is this pattern looking bullish or bearish? And, one thing that might stand out is we've had some pretty big moves, some big green candles up, and then consolidation. So that does look like a bull flag. But what I did on Sunday was I did some drawings that I had a lot of fun doing that I think suggest that this is, in fact, a very bullish pattern and perhaps corresponding with earnings. We see a breakout. And so I wanted to throw those drawings up, but I didn't want to take the time to draw them in this video. So I just have them removed, and now I will bring them back into picture. And so looking at the drawings, we can see here we've got a very nice cup and handle. We've got this down move here, double bottom at the base of that cup, and then a move back up, consolidation forming the handle of that cup. And we can see from that, we have this measurement that would be bringing price up to right around $10 a share. This measurement shows from right around current price, an upside move of almost $3, up almost 40% to around $10.11. In another way that, I was thinking about how could I depict these measurements in a different way rather than going from current price and up, which is based on a measurement from the base of the cup to the brim of that cup. I can just take this measurement and drag it to the left with this halfway point lined up with the brim of that cup. So let's do that. So I'm just going to drag this over to the base over here. And that is, right around the brim of that cup. It could be moved a little bit higher because the brim of the cup is, diagonal there. But I'm just going to leave it like that just so we have that picture to consider this whole frame here with a measured move to the psychological level of $10, one $10 bill getting into the double digits. So that does make a lot of sense to me. And so, with that being said, the time frame for this measurement is about 3 months. And so, I could see maybe from when we break out from this handle, maybe 1 to 2 months down the road, so not this full extent, but at least a month down the road, I think price could be up to around $10 a share. And then taking a step back, another thing to consider is that Fastly does have this gap right around $13 a share at $12.93, which was the closing price on May 1st before we got this massive gap down. And so on, let's see, May 2nd, we saw a drop of about 32% to the downside, had this downtrending consolidation here, almost got a breakout, but that was a fake out before retracing to this downtrend, which is based on, let's see, these two pivot lows, one being the low from May 2nd, which was at a price of $7.83. The other pivot point being the low from June 20th, which was at a price of $6.77. Tested that down here, hitting the low of $5.52 when on earnings on August 7th, Fastly found a bottom before bouncing, forming a double bottom, moving up and now consolidating to form this handle, to form this bull flag, which I suspect will be breaking out right around earnings, which for some reason is not popping up here, but their earnings should be, as you can see up here, on November 6th. So I feel like an upside move of about 40% is likely over the next, let's say, 2 months. And one thing that I have been doing with bullish and or bearish calls, trades that I have highlighted on the channel, is I have been doing options trading that is long term. So it's a little bit safer of a bet than doing something that expires in a month or two or a week or two. And so the contract that I am interested in, I've been going well into 2025, looking at calls with the June 20th expiration and the $10 strike. We can see that those to buy are right around 96 cents, which translates to $96. I personally have a buy order for one contract at 89 cents because I think that the chart is set up for price to be going up to $10 a share. And so then I would either take profit at either 20% or somewhere between 20% and 100% or a 2x. And so I think there's a lot of potential with this chart getting up to $10 a share. I think it's primed with the bull flag, with the cup and handle formation, and this gap to the upside that has yet to be filled. So I'm pretty excited about it. But, as always, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and thank you for the request. Take care.